Okay guys, welcome to this biology microscopes instruction video. First you're going to put down your microscope, your hand is on the arm, your hand is under the base. You take the cover off, you put that away carefully to the side, making sure you work neatly. In the lab you guys will be standing up, so don't worry about this. On the side, the left-hand side, there's a button that you can move that turns the light on. You see the light coming on. You make sure you use the coarse focusing knob to turn the stage down, and you put the smallest objective or the zero objective above the stage. When you place the slide, you open up the stage clips. You place the slide on the stage and you make sure that the middle of the slide is above the light so that you can actually see what you are looking at. When you place the slide, you make sure the red lens is above what you're looking at. On the left-hand side, you can see what I see through the microscope. When you start turning the coarse focusing knob, you will see the slides coming into focus, the cells I mean. Don't worry that you see nothing at the start. When your cells are nearly there, you switch to the fine focusing knob, which is on the outside of your coarse focusing knob, and then you put them into 100% focus. When you have done that, you carefully turn the revolver to place the red lens above your stage. At this point, you do not touch the coarse focusing knob anymore. You are only using your fine focusing knob to get your cells into focus. Once it's focused on yellow, if you can, you may go to blue lens. Be very, very careful with this lens, please, because you can damage the lens in the slide. And as you can see, it is quite difficult to focus the cells on this magnification. I hope this helps you guys for the lab lesson. When it comes to cleaning up, make sure you put the zero lens or the red lens, I prefer the zero lens, above the stage again. You turn your stage all the way down, and then you are allowed to remove your slide to make sure that there's the smallest chance that you damage your lenses. Good luck for the lab lesson and preparing next week, guys.